the issue is the level of skill.
Yeah.
So, I mean, if you're the best trader in the world, I mean, I'm sure that I can give, my assistant, Mark Ritchie, I could give him $10,000, and I'll bet you in 10 years from now, he's a rich man, so, and if I gave him 100,000 or 1 million, he'd be even much richer. But I can give, I mean, there's certain friends of mine and members of my family that I'm sure if I gave them $1 million today, they'd be broke in a couple of years trading. So, or maybe even much sooner. So again, like I said before, you got to get the knowledge, you got to get the training, and then money's the least of the problems. That's what everybody's worrying about, the money. And that's one of the early things that I did after years and years of not doing well. You talked about failure. I said, you know what? I'm going to stop worrying about this money, because I was like just keeping score and going, oh, every year I didn't do well. Oh my God, I'm just so behind the curve. And, and I just felt like I was getting further. I was like in the ocean, just floating further and further away from land.